Must be quitting time for the farmers, because there are constant cars going behind this little rural road out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, another Dodge pickup. It's farming season. All right, Trey Veston here, and I just want to show you my new shooting setup. I know, probably don't care, but I like it much better than the old setup, so let's take a look at it and see why it's better. All right, here it is. It's a cheap folding table I got off Amazon, and I think it was, I don't remember, it was under 50 bucks. Folding chair was like 30 bucks. I'll put the links in there in the description of the video. And the reason I like this table is because it's kind of cool tactical FDE, olive drab. The surface is a little rougher. There's some texture. I've got the Caldwell Matrix rest on here, and it's set up for pistol. To make it into a rifle rest, you just simply slide that in there, tighten it down. Yeah, easily configurable for pistol or rifle, but it doesn't mitigate recoil. But it's real nice. It's easy to adjust for height. There you go. Crank that up or down, and it's pretty stable platform actually compared to my old metal wire mesh one. That one weighed about 45 pounds. This whole setup with the chair and the table, I think the table's like 18 pounds or somewhere. The chair's 18. I don't know. Either way, the whole thing is under 40 pounds. And yeah, it's been great. It folds up. It'll fit in the back of my messy Jeep. And Arlo likes the shade it provides in this 75-degree day. So anyway, yeah, I'll link the table and chair and the Caldwell Matrix. I think I bought it all on Amazon. I think I've got 120 bucks into everything, and it's more stable, it's more portable, it's easier to stow in the Jeep, and so there you go. Alrighty, that's it for my shooting bench review. And subscribe. I'll do more little short reviews of stuff I use. So, alrighty, Trey Veston out.